ACL reconstruction course. I am talking about ACL reconstruction all inside with quadriceps tendon graft, with internal brace and with LET or ALL reconstruction. This is the most advanced ACL surgery and I am offering you a 5 days course of hands-on training. What we are gonna do, we are going to teach you each and every step about the ACL surgery, what is all inside, what is ACL reconstruction, what is ACL repair, what kind of grafts we can use. We will be focusing more on quadriceps tendon graft with the Quad Pro because that is the most strongest graft. What is internal brace, how it is done, why it is done, what is LET, what is ALL reconstruction, how the meniscus is being repaired, what is blood clot meniscus repair, what kind of implants we use in meniscus from all inside to inside out to outside in, from the zone navigator, from everything. So it's a 5 days course with 3 days of operation theatre experience where we are going to show you at least 15 cases of ACL reconstruction. There will be hands-on training on bone model. Arthroscopic training will be sponsored by Arthrex. VR training will be sponsored by ConMed, and it is the best ACL reconstruction course you can learn within 5 days. Every orthopedic surgeon can apply for this course and hopefully you will have a good 5 days.